Hello friends, welcome to Atulya Fashions. In this video, we have compiled some simple yet elegant aari work blouse from the Hanger Boutique, which is located in Thrissur, Kerala. Whatever the grand festivals, be it a wedding, religious festivals or parties, girls and women, those who love wearing designer blouses, designer saris, would first look for aari work blouses. Pair it up. Aari work blouses look gorgeous when you pair up with silk saris or designer saris for festivals and functions. Silk saris are so popular in South India that we are constantly looking for new blouse designs to pair with our favorite Kanjivaram saris. The rich gold and coppery embroidery seen on work blouses paired with vibrant colors gives a royal feel to all. Let's check out this collection of beautiful work blouse designs by the Hanger Boutique. Aari work with pastel shades are their specialty. Their contact details are given in the description box, guys. Subscribe to Atulya Fashions for more inspirations. Like and share it with your friends. Thank you.